Hello everyone, welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see about banana. Yes, we are going to see about this superfruit which is liked by all ages. There is a saying in Tamil, whenever you get blessings from any elders, the first thing they say, your generation has to keep growing, just like the banana tree, and you have to lead a life in such a way that it is useful to others. I'll tell you point by point why human life was compared with banana tree. First and foremost, banana tree never dies. Whenever the mother plant is about to die, you can see the baby offsprings just growing near the mother plant on the ground from the same rhizome. It means the plant never dies. Its generation keeps growing. And that's how our elders bless us too. Secondly, all parts of banana tree are useful. Eating in banana leaf will give you long life and it is good for your health too. Banana flour, when consumed, it kills intestinal bacteria. And raw banana, it helps to reduce your body heat. And the ripened banana helps to prevent constipation. Banana stem helps to dissolve kidney stones. Banana strips, they heal fire wounds. And the juice of banana stem, it helps to even overcome the snake venom. Each and every single section of a banana tree is useful. And that's how they bless us by saying your life again has to be useful at least in some way or the other to others. And just like the banana tree, you have to give and help others whatever possible you can, but never expect anything in return. And in South India, no auspicious function is complete without a plantain or a banana tree. And that too mainly in marriages. This tree is actually worshipped for eternal happiness and the prosperity of all future generations. How many of you know the bananas that we consume and the ones that are available commercially in the market are genetically modified ones? I know it's a bit hard to believe, but the truth is yes, we are consuming the mutated ones. I'm sure everybody might be knowing that any fruit you take in the world, it will have a seed. And you cannot name even a single fruit without seed. And now, don't say bananas because even bananas have seeds. And the one that we consume is seedless. And if any fruit is seedless, it means that they are genetically modified ones and are grown for commercial purpose. So is the case with the bananas that we are consuming nowadays. Early species of bananas are the seeded ones, and these are called wild bananas. These wild bananas are very rare to find and it is under extinct category. But luckily, I found it in the place where I am living now and thought everyone should know the evolution of bananas. And so, I am sharing it with you through this video. As such, you cannot find any difference between a commercial banana tree and a wild banana tree. But you can make out the difference from the size of a banana fruit. The wild bananas are comparatively smaller in size compared to the normal commercial bananas. And these seeded bananas are high in dietary fiber and they've got high levels of potassium and carbohydrates. Though they are rich in nutrients, but due to the seeds in these seeded wild bananas, they are not consumed like the normal seedless banana that is available commercially in market. But they are edible. You won't believe the softer and the creamier pulp that you get after deseeding is just out of the world. This pulp, it can be used in cakes, beverages or in smoothies as well. And not only this, even the researchers depend on these wild bananas for generic variation with flavor, sweetness, pest resistance, and for reducing the size of the seed as well. If you would have noticed so closely, you would have seen small black dots in the normal commercial bananas that we consume nowadays. And they are the seeds. They are made inactive. And the size of the seed, you can see it is so small, and that is due to genetic variations. But in the case of wild bananas, their seeds are like pepper balls and you cannot even munch it. I tried munching it, but they were so hard like a stone and I couldn't even munch. It was that hard. And that's why researchers have modified the genetic strands of these wild bananas and have given us the cloned commercial version that we are consuming nowadays. And if you're lucky, And if you happen to find any of such wild banana tree growing in your garden, try making use of the pulp. And if you feel this de-seeding process is quite a cumbersome and tiresome job, then give this fruit to the elephants. These wild bananas are the favorite food for elephants. And you know something? If you feel like preserving these wild species of seeded bananas which are under extinct category now, you can grow them as well. And you know how? As everybody know, banana tree grows from its own rhizome. But exception are to these seeded wild bananas. Just like any other plant that can be grown from a seed, these seeded wild banana tree again can be grown from a seed. Is it not quite surprising? Yes, we have a way to preserve these wild species of seeded bananas now. I hope you like my video, and if you felt the video was informative and interesting, please do like, subscribe and share it with all your nature loving friends. And don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you.